Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
Take a look. This tornado caught on camera in Mississippi is part of a violent outbreak of storms that tore through the Midwest and South. At least 35 people were killed in 7 states this weekend. As many as 70 tornadoes, dust storms, and wildfires, all part of one enormous line of bad weather. Here's a look at this storm system as it pushes its way east. We still have a few hours to go before it moves out of our region. Let's get a look at things with meteorologist Andrew Kozak joining us now from the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere.
Now, Aziza, this is the same storm system that produced those nearly 70 tornadoes, but there is some good news here, and that is for our area, the main part of all the energy has kind of been squeezed out, and now the system itself is starting to move off the coast. We're going to give ourselves the overnight to get through some showers and thunderstorms, and then a much calmer Monday, but we still have to get through some strong storms tonight and maybe even some heavy rain. Live radar right now shows one area of rain up and down the Jersey Shore. We have some moderate rain from just north of Atlantic City down to LBI, or I should say up to LBI, and then down all the way to Cape May. A bit of a break for areas like Philadelphia, where we did get some light scattered showers. There's some moderate to heavy rain back toward the west. Some of those storms were severe a little earlier on, but now just strong with some heavy rain and maybe a few wind gusts over 25 miles per hour. That rain extends to the west of Lancaster, where the heavier stuff is in the yellow and orange as we speak. And then we have another line of storms. These were actually severe a little earlier, but now they came through our area and we are severe free. But areas like Allentown and the Lehigh Valley looking at some very heavy rain that will be moving into central and northern Jersey here within the next couple of hours. So let's take you through an hour by hour look at tonight. Through around midnight, we'll have rain and storms and some gusty winds. Up to about 4 o'clock in the morning is where we'll see that heavy rain and even some windy gusts anywhere between 20 and 30 miles per hour. There could be some small pea to marble size hail, but those reports are even getting minimal as we speak. Now into early Monday for that early part of the commute, scattered showers, some gusty winds, and then everybody has a bit of a break once we get into your Monday afternoon. Tonight, any concerns for severe weather still to our west and our south, but even those chances are diminishing, so we'll stand down from the next weather alert after we get through our newscast. And Kate Bilo, first thing in the morning, 4:30, we should be severe weather free. By 2 o'clock in the morning, we still will have some moderate to heavy rain across the area, and then light showers will continue through the early morning commute, so budget a little extra time. Even if you're going to be looking at a later commute, 8, 9 o'clock, we are likely to still have some rain out there for the morning. Now we start to clear things out by the afternoon. No chances of rain for Tuesday or for Wednesday, but then we head into your Thursday, and that's when we have our next chance for some showers, but it does not look like we have any severe weather in store for us as we head toward the end of the week. So tonight, mild, down to 55 degrees, rain and storms. Tomorrow morning, we're actually going to start things off pretty much where we are now as temperatures go, and we're not going to see much of a change. In fact, we'll stay in the 50s, mid-50s, all the way through the early afternoon before we start to cool back down by the end of the day. At the Jersey Shore, some morning rain, and then we'll see some sunshine return and maybe a bit of sun after around midday in the Lehigh Valley. All right, here's a look at your 7-day forecast now, because we don't really have a whole lot going on when it comes to next severe weather breaks for any portion of the week up ahead. 70 degrees once we get into your Wednesday with partly cloudy skies. So the next few days are looking nice. Tuesday is definitely a sunny day. A little bit more cloud cover for Wednesday. Thursday, 69 with a couple of clouds. We cool down behind the clouds and showers late Thursday. So it's kind of a cool start to the end of the week, but the weekend looking good with partly cloudy skies. 63 Saturday, 61 Sunday. Aziza, we'll get through the next few hours, and then things are looking much better for the week ahead.
And remember, you can always find the latest on the forecast on our website. Just head to cbsphiladelphia.com/weather for the live radar, the 7-day, and much more.